For real. Lincoln?
Who spent
Um,
$1,000?
what?
Who spent $1,000? Okay, I'm
You
recording
did.
this video. Oh, why wouldn't you? I mean, like,
Lincoln, here. Oh, dang. Lincoln.
okay, so we gotta go that way. We gotta go this way. We gotta go this way.
Follow the leader.
Which way do we go?
I don't know.
Wait, I have a photo. I
Yeah,
have a photo.
Tiberius. It's definitely not this way.
Hold on, wait, where's my photo? Where's my photo? No, it didn't take a photo. I'm so cooked. I'm so cooked. We're so cooked. We're so cooked. Where is he?
Well, I think we're coming closer to it.
Somebody should take a photo of it.
I'm
Somebody should
going.
take a
Bye.
photo of it.
Tiberius is cooked.
Where are we going? Okay, this way.
Guys, I just lost. Controller's broken. Oh my gosh, the video ended for me. Guys? Well, my controller kind of broke.
There's white. We found the light. I don't know. I don't have a photo.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, I should have a recording. Wait, I'm recording right now. I should like.
Yeah, I'm going.
You guys know the way. I'm just following you guys.
Yeah, I remember perfectly where we're going.
Sure. So we're going away.
Yeah, I think.
What do I see? Two white. Oh, that's just his ears.
Mine's at 5.
Y'all are lagging, bro. Y'all are lagging on my screen.
Hmm? 421.
It's 410. He's getting closer. Oh, that's not good. That's not good.
The number's going up.
Okay, so he's getting farther. He's getting farther. Bro, we've been going straight for so long.
Yo, I wish I have a mega flashlight. This would have been so much useful.
Bro, only if we had a mega flashlight though.
Mine's at 5. Oh, mine just hit 600.
600 is really good. Okay, so that's really good. Bro, I seen
Guys,
a
you got-
monster when I actually joined that random room, bro. He was so scary. He looked like the tall guys, the tall dark guys.
Of course you think of tall, dark guys.
He had a Santa hat on, so he was really chill. He didn't attack me. Okay, we better be getting farther. Oh wait, I know where we are. I know where we are on the map. We're getting close. We're getting really close.
Yo, if I had a pogo stick and a mega flashlight, I would be chilling.
Yeah, I'd be like if we had pogo sticks and mega flashlights, we'd be zooming. Hookshot,
Yeah,
hookshot,
hookshot.
heart gun, and snowboard. I mean, it kind of would though. Are we getting closer or farther?
Purple. We're turning purple. Tiberius, stop cheating.
800 is still good, but like, damn it. Oh god. Oh god.
Lincoln, on
Oh
my
God.
screen. Lincoln, we're at 100 on my screen. Blame Tiberius. He's yellow. Look, it's Tiberius the Simpson. Sim-
The Simpsons.
Of course, I think of Lisa Tiberius. Huh? I don't know. I haven't checked all.
I'm right here, dumbass.
Is this a good idea that we're now in a big room?
Wait.
So let's
Where
go
did he
to the
go?
corner.
Oh, let's go this way. Ooh. Is he getting closer or farther? It looks like he's just carrying a giant brick, bro. Bro, look at this big ass room, bro. 1,900. Off of Cadence. Bro, every time I hear that click, I always think that it's the hook shot. Bro, I'm beating you with one hand.
Yeah, I want to see this monster.
Oh, I've seen the monster. He's big and he's black and he's like, and
Okay.
he looks like Slenderman, but on all
Let's
fours.
stand still. Yeah, he could get fresh meat.
No, y'all are so slow.
We're waiting.
Kaden, where are you? I see you, I see you. Kaden, turn around. Real quick, because I need to catch up to you.
You guys said you're faster than me.
1,200, bro. You're getting far
On one
away.
hand.
Kaden, where are you? There you are. Bro, can you hear Lincoln?
No, I can't.
I can faintly
even
hear
hear
him
Lincoln.
screaming, Tiberius! Hold on, we should stop the way for Kaden. Or for Lincoln.
He's back. Wait, when did you get
Alright,
one?
900, 906.
Wait, Tiberius, when did
It's going
you
down,
get one?
905. He's getting closer. He's getting closer.
Wait, when did Tiberius get one?
No,
He's holding one.
here, take it back.
He has one, you have one,
Here.
I have
No,
one.
you don't, bro. It's right here.
So? Yeah.
Oh god. Are y'all still talking about weddings?
You already talked about weddings, Tiberius.
I'm talking to Kylie. I'm recording a video too. I'm talking with my girlfriend because she wanted. Hold on, wait, guys, wait.
Huh?
Bro, he's
On my
winning away
screen
from us.
shows that we're going smaller. I'm out.
Bye-bye.
It's a little red.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Imagine leaving. It's not that scary, Tiberius. When you don't turn on your light, you're safe. Oh my gosh, you scaredy cat. Yeah. Imagine. Bro said not that long ago he's a real man. Same scary. I haven't seen anything scary. All knows we're... Yeah. Where's the exit? Hey. Wait for what? Seven. Huh? You're hearing things? One sec, I need to turn on my volume. What are you talking about? Turn up your volume. Mine's at max. Just do it. Yeah. Turn. Oh, your parents are sleeping? Lincoln? Because I was turning down my volume. All it knows, I'm starting to sweat. Okay, I can see how J-Man Curly is so strong.
Are y'all talking about Vampire Diaries?
Huh? He's not on the call. Yeah, I said,
Wait, I can hear you
what the
guys.
heck?
Wait, I can hear you guys.
Tiberius, you in the call?
Where are you guys? I can hear you.
Tiberius,
I
I
can
hear
you
him.
guys in the wall.
I swear, if there's a mimic in here,
I can hear you through the wall. No, come here. Follow my voice. Turn up your volume and follow my voice.
I hear him.
Come here. I hear you guys in the wall, bro.
Wait, let's go to the wall and talk to him. Tiberius!
Yeah.
Tiberius!
I'm literally at the spawn area, bro.
You're at the spawn?
How do I come to you guys? Cause when I get close,
Oh my gosh.
when I get close, I'm literally at the top.
Why don't you go to that? I'm locked in.
Bob. Hi, Bob.
We're locked in trying to find Tiberius.
Wait, I found a Bob. I found Bob.
Lincoln,
You know what, guys?
you're going closer.
That is me. Just to prove that it's me. It's not.
Imagine we're under 100. See a light.
Yeah, I was wondering if y'all were talking about Vampire Diaries.
Tiberius, we hear you.
Twilight is crazy.
Shut don't on anybody.
Yeah?
What the heck?
I'm gonna go.
just
I'm
came
taking
this
the
way,
box.
though.
I'm taking the box.
Yeah. I was saying that way, but we can
You
go
go,
this way.
you go to the left. Come to the left. Come to the
All I know is everything's red now.
Come to the left. Come to the left. Literally, I could hear y'all through the wall.
Tiberius, we can barely hear you. I can only hear rain.
Bro, I can hear you through the wall, bro. Are y'all like running away from my face?
Lincoln, wait for me.
Wait, it says 82 on the wall. It says 82 on the wall. Hold on.
Wait, is this the exit for real? Exit? We're backtracking our steps, Lincoln.
Yeah, come to my voice. Come to me. Come. Come, my children. I can't, bro. I'm literally in the lobby.
Tiberius, are you scared?
But I can't find you guys. I can't see you. Like, I actually entered remake and I can't find you guys.
Oh my god, my head hurts.
Bro, I went the way that we went last
My
time. Bro, I
VR is
can't find you
foggy.
guys.
Shit.
Bro, I'm lost. I'm lost. I found one of these little tracker things, and it says that he's like under miles away from me. Everything's red.
Two strong men getting lost in a maze. Two strong men getting lost in a maze.
Bro, I got lost, bro.
I can't hear anything you're saying. I can only hear rain.
Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me better?
At least we're going further than the creature.
Can you guys hear me better?
So this is the remake of the maze.
Hello?
I don't know if I hear a noise. Is it getting louder for you? 'Cause it is for me. It's like, "Rah!" You don't hear that?
Bro, I found a candy cane. Am I supposed to find a candy cane?
Have you shoved it?
Bro, I literally went the way that you guys went. I can't find it.
I just hear him.
I can't find you guys. I'm scared, dude.
It's not that scary.
Bro, I can't find you guys. Bro, I ran the opposite direction. Thinking that you guys were. I can't find you guys. Bro, I'm back.
Wait, this is the exit.
I'm back in the area that you like spawn in. Not the lobby. I'm like back in the area of the walls. The map. Oh wait, I have a mod menu.
Yeah. Lincoln, wait for me.
Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me?
Lincoln? You better not die on me.
Yeah?
Shut up, my VR does not need to be plugged in.
Why didn't you put in your VR?
Trevor, never you see this monster.
I'm talking about Lincoln.
Probably left. Imagine if we
Where
are.
you guys, bro? I can't find you. I'm standing completely still. Why did everything just turn red? Why did my screen just turn red? I'm scared.
No, you messed my streak up, Lincoln. Oh my gosh. Lincoln.
I can't hear you guys over here, bro.
Oh my gosh, I'm about to hit the refrigerator.
I can't find you guys.
Wait, no, we didn't went that way.